I had a crazy idea. You know that the job market is broken because today getting a job isn't about skill anymore. It's about endurance. You waste hours scrolling through platforms looking for job opportunities for you. You apply manually to dozens, sometimes hundreds of different job offers. You rewrite your curriculum vitae again and again and again. You send messages that never get answered. And while all of this happens, you get anxious, you get tired, you burn time you'll never get back. I know this hell because I've been there a ton of times. So I ask a simple question. What if this entire process could be completely automated? Not with a damn bot or with a spam, but with a smart system fully powered by AI features that understands your profile, your skills, your goals, your preferences. A system that finds the best opportunities just especially for you. A system that tailors your resume for every single job offer and for every single role. A system that writes persuasive and personalized messages for each job offer on Recruiter. A smart system that applies for you 24/7 while allows you to focus on the things that really matters for you. For example, learning, building, or just living. And that is exactly what I'm going to build with my own hands. And in this video series, I'm going to show all the process of turning this idea into a real product. I'm going to show you the idea, the architecture, the trade-offs, the mistakes, and finally, the final product. This won't be just a demo. This will be a real startup built from scratch, end to end. And of course, if you wanna be one of the first testers, or you wanna to get a special offer for you, or just follow the journey, then just leave a dot in the comments below and follow along this process. And you could be thinking about that this is a idea that already exists in the market, but I'm going to answer you with the next thing. You know that, for example, YouTube wasn't the first multimedia platform. You know that Facebook wasn't the first social media, but you can see that they works really well. Then yeah, let's turn this complex idea into a real and scalable product. Then I'll see you in the next video.